After you clean your hot chamber and inner barrel, the next step is your upper receiver inside. And thanks to this prototype forged upper receiver, there's totally silver inside this upper receiver. So you can see there are many black dust, dirt inside, and those are we need to clean. Of course, your GBB may be all the black, but you can see how dirty it is. And that will be the same as your GBB. And to clean it is very easy. You still have several pieces of tissue papers used to clean in the barrel before. Just put a little silicone oils and insert inside this upper receiver and clean it. Okay, now I clean the upper receiver inside. It's shining again. There will be a big difference between the before and after. And just take you several pieces of tissue paper. And the next is the bolt. It's a key point inside this GBB, and it also needs to be cleaned. I use a tissue paper to clean the outside first. I didn't use any silicone oils because itself in the first beginning, the silicone oil is already on the surface. You just use the tissue papers and clean everything, including inside. Generally speaking, the bolt just needs a basic clean, but the point is inside the nozzle. The nozzle is very important, and you can use these opportunities to check your air seal. You can use your thumb and finger, cover both holes, and press this nozzle to the end of the bolt carrier. If you can feel the air was trapped inside and resist your cover, resist your power to press the nozzle inside, congratulations, you have a great air seal. Then the next step is pull out the nozzle to the end. You can see an oil ring. Some people use the glue silicone oil, but my personal use this silicone oil and spray it surround the oil ring, just a little bit. Then press this back several times. Now the O-ring is being moisturized, and this bolt is already cleaned. And just remember to remove the oils outside. And of course, you can also use a swab to clean the head of the nozzle. They are always dirty because when you fire the GBB, the high pressure comes with the silicone oil will grab the metal powders and the paint inside. And once you finish shooting, those will stay on the surface of your nozzles and even on the aluminum nozzles inside. All these powders should be removed and take care carefully. And these powders may sometimes make your weapon jammed, just because those powders are thick enough to disturb and increase or to stop your nozzle. And you also can put some silicone oils a little bit. And now your bolt is clean. From the outside to inside. The next one is the charge handle. Most people forget to clean this, but this is a big important part because this is more dirty than you thought. Believe it or not, it's a clean tissue paper. And those dirt will harm your GBB bolt, upper receiver, everything. So you have to clean those oils completely, and even inside this charge handle. I use this swab to tell you it's also very dirty. You have to clean it. We just need to clean the charge handle as many as possible, but it's very difficult to clean it until it's totally white. Of course, if you are patient enough. And once your clean is complete, put some silicone oils on the tissue paper, fold it, press and open it again. And use those silicone oils to clean the charge handle again. Then you will be able to put a thin silicone oil on the surface of this charge handle. Then this charge handle was cleaned. Now you can try to pull your charge handle. You can find that it's easier than before. That's because you already cleaned those dirt inside. That has two advantages for you. The first is you reduce the opportunities to jam this weapon, and the other advantage is because it works smooth than before, so that will reduce the gas consumption, so you can fire more rounds than before. That's a good news for you. And all you need is just a silicone oil.